you're experiencing server timeout issues in Valorant, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and reduce lag. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. You can do this by running a speed test. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using your internet bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online games that could interfere with your connection. Step 3. Change server region. In Valorant, you can change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. This can help reduce latency and improve your connection to the game servers. Go to the settings menu and select a different region if available. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing the chances of server timeouts during gameplay. Step 5. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues. Check your device manager for any updates and install them to ensure optimal performance. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce server timeout issues and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Valorant. Remember to regularly check your connection and settings for the best results.